What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing a brand new light into the dream room from our good friends at Govee. They sent out the Govee Glide 3D Hexagons. As you guys know, we already have two Govee Glide products. The Govee Glide right there, right next to our window, and also near that area as well is the Govee Glide Hexa Pro. So yeah, we have another Govee Glide product here, and this is their 3D Hexagon. Basically, it has this 3D elements in each of their panels, kind of like the same thing as the Govee Glide Hexa Pros, but you can have different illuminating LEDs from each panel itself, which is going to be pretty cool. So I can't wait to install this into our dream room and like play around with the design and all that stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Oh yeah, so there we go. This is the 3D element that I was trying to talk about. It's just not flat anymore. It actually has like a protruding factor, like it just raises up towards the middle, which is super cool. But it's still a hexagon, just like the Hexa Pro, but it has this 3D element now, which is gonna be super cool when we finally light it up. Jeez. These are the connectors, guys. They're actually like flexible, kind of cool. Little control box. And then, wow, this is new. This is a very big power supply. All right, time to install all of this, guys. I think we're gonna put it right here. You'll see in a second. All right, so this is what we're looking at right now and where I kind of want to install it. I can either install it right there under the TV. Just this whole empty wall will be full of hexagons, or I can do it over here next to the workbench, which will be also pretty cool under the pegboard. So what do you guys think? Probably am leaning towards this just because I kind of want to keep this place a little clean, because I already put a lot of stuff over there, and for future videos I can have some indirect lighting or bias lighting from this area, especially when I'm doing top-down shots from here. Might be a cool little thing. I also have this big empty wall here, but the only reason why I don't want to put it here is because my main camera angle is from over there, so if I would put it over here, you guys won't really see it. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do it over here. And one more thing, just to clarify on how to install this from reading the instruction manual over here, there's a whole procedure into doing this. Here's how it's gonna work. So you're gonna use the triangle here to match it with the triangle on the base. This is where your input goes into. Now you also have a bunch more outputs here, right? So basically you take the one without the triangle and you can place it into any of these without the triangle on the Hexa panel itself. So that's basically how you're gonna have to do it. Start from your input and then work your way up in terms of where you're connecting your panels, and then we'll put it on the wall. And there we have it, guys. The Govee 3D hexagons are on the wall. I have it evenly spaced out. I wish I had a bit more, so maybe I can like peek it out right here, just in the middle. Govee, if you want to send me some more, that'd be cool. But for now, this is how it looks. I think it fills up this little empty part of the wall pretty well. And mainly the reason why I put the hexagons on this wall is because it has this reflection here on this workbench, since I do most of my product video and photography on this workbench. So let's say if I put like a white laminate or a black granite, it'll have this really cool hexagon reflection, which you can kind of already see with the workbench. And even though it is wood, it has that really cool white, kind of like Star Wars like glow that you see on the floors under like the ships and stuff like that. So yeah, really like how it looks. Definitely a cool addition. I think I just need maybe one over here to make it a little bit more I guess symmetrical, or like it leads up a little bit. So yeah, Govee, if you want to send me one, that'd be again really cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and connect it to the Govee app. That's the next step, so we can see some of the cool designs, because right now it's just white, and we don't want to have it just on white because it's going to look super cool with all the really nice effects from the Govee app. Alright, so if you're new to Govee, you're going to have to download the Govee app on the App Store, and once you guys have that down, it's going to be super easy to connect everything. As you guys can see here, I have a lot of Govee products. We're going to go ahead and add this brand new product that we have. Search it up over here. It is the Govee Glide Hexa Pro. There we go, and boom, and look at that. It's just gonna connect real quick. Find that controller. So here's the controller, guys. Short press, and boom, we are on. And okay, as we just got bombarded by Alexa. And okay, here we go. So this is the connecting process, which is very important. We're gonna go to the next one here. And there we go, guys. Look how crazy this looks. All right, so we have the light now connected to the Govee app. So what's actually cool is that they separate all the effects into different like genres, right? So there's this actual 3D portion, which is new. I've never seen this before with the other Glide lights, which is nice. So this is very specific to this product right here. And let's try out some of their new effects. So let's try out Pixel. Pretty cool. Collapse. And as you guys can see, there's like 3 squares within each hexagon, which gives this like cubic effect, which is nice. This is Matrix. Oh, that's nice. That's cool that you can turn off each of the panels itself. Hallucinating. Cubic. Oh, that's really cool. Crawl. Phantom. Layering. And Mirage. Now, obviously, you still have your usual Govee effects like forest, ocean, and sunset glow, rainbow, and I guess the last one I'll show you guys. My favorite is usually fire, because it's just a vibe. So yeah, it does still separate each of the little squares in each panel, which is really cool. All right, and just like that, we have 3 Govee Glide products in our room now. For me, I've been using them as decor from many of my episodes on my Dream Room Makeover series. You guys saw me add the Govee Glides, and eventually we add the Hexas, and now we have this, the 3D Hexagons. And I think I've placed them in really cool spots. One in the corner, one next to my window frame, and then also right there under my pegboard. I think once I have it synced up with my TV kit, it'll have this like really cool effect around my room, which I can't wait to show you guys one of these days. That is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Govee 3D Hexagons. I think I love them. Definitely would like to add more in the future. But yeah, that's it. If you guys want to find any more information about the Govee 3D Hexagons, it'll be down in the description. Product links will be also down there as well. Like the video if you guys liked it, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys later. Peace.